Progressive relaxation is a way of relaxing the whole body by first tensing it so that you feel the tension and then fully releasing that muscle. It's based mainly on muscles. So, for example, I can start from toe to head and by gripping with my toes into the earth. So I grip for 5 seconds, grip, being with toes, gripping with the toes, and then relax, release. Tense the calf muscles, tensing the calf muscles, dynamic tension, tensing the calves for about 5 seconds, then releasing. Tensing the thighs for about 5 seconds, and then releasing. I'm adding the sigh of relief. Tense the stomach, activate your core, and then release. Back muscles, and release. Chest muscles, and we're working on proprioception too, being able to feel the tension and release, which is a sense. Shoulders and neck. Face. Clench teeth. Clench your teeth. Squint your eyes. Forehead. Scalp. Release. Progressive relaxation.